Hey guys, my name is Emily. I'm the mama behind Mama Needs a Project, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little framed Christmas tree out of scrap wood. As you can see behind me, I have a never-ending supply of scrap wood, it feels like. So this project is going to make a teeny tiny dent in there. I'll be using some pine fence pickets that we have left over from when we built our fence. I've already ripped those down to be 1 inch in width from a different project that I used. So I'm going to use them at that skinnier width, at just a 1 inch width. And then I'm using a scrap piece of 1x3 and some plywood. I just finished up putting the plans together for this. So at Mama Needs a Project, you can actually download these plans so you can make it all by yourself. I've got all your cut lists. Ooh, let's hold it the right way. And everything you need so that you can make them too. But I'm gonna video my process, and you can get some more of a visual of how I'm putting everything together. That's it. I'm gonna get to building, and hope you enjoy the video. Bye guys. Okay guys, woo, glasses. For the actual Christmas tree that's going on this little framed piece, right here in the itty bitty picture, it's got some smaller pieces that can be kind of intimidating to cut with a big miter saw. For me, I don't want to get my hands very close to the blade. I'm not interested in losing any fingers, and I don't want you guys to lose any either. So what I do to cut small pieces safely is I always try and use a longer board that I'm cutting the pieces off of. That way I have a lot to hang on to. My hands are not getting close to the blade. Generally when I'm cutting with my miter saw, the pieces that I am cutting to use, I do on this side where I'm hanging on, and then this side is the cut off, the piece that I'm not using. However, when I'm cutting some like small little pieces to use, like I'll be doing for this project, I let those small pieces be on this side. That way I can put my hand all the way over here if I want. I don't have to get anywhere near the blade, and it makes me feel a lot safer. For this, like the little stem of the tree, I'm just gonna cut off a little 1 inch piece. There's no way I would hang on to that with my hand. So that's how I cut those smaller pieces with my miter saw and still feel safe and feel comfortable doing it. Just a reminder, there's always danger with woodworking and using big machinery, but there's lots of ways to be safe when you're doing it. If you're doing something and there's a little voice in the back of your head that says, maybe this isn't very safe, stop. That means it's not very safe. And there are safe ways to figure it out and to do whatever you're trying to do. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that little tip. I wanted to pause what I was doing to tell you, just because I don't want anyone to get injured from trying this project or any of the other projects that I share. I'll go ahead and video while I am doing these little cuts so you can see what I'm talking about, and hopefully, I think I got the camera at a good angle where you can see what I'm doing. here it is, friends. All the way from an idea in my head to my plans to finished product. If you have any questions about this project, be sure just to leave a comment below or head on over to the blog post that I'll link and leave a question there. And then you can download the plans at that link too. All right, happy building. Bye, guys.